Good morning, lifers. Today we're coming to you from Ennis, Texas. There's a festival going on here, but the main reason we're here are the Bluebonnet Trails. We're gonna take you with us as we drive around and show you guys what Ennis, Texas has to offer and the special Bluebonnet Trails. But first, we're gonna grab breakfast at the Bluebonnet City Grill. This place has some great reviews and apparently some really good food. So we're gonna go in and check it out and let you guys know what it's like. All right, guys, so we finished breakfast at Bluebonnet City Grill. It was delicious. My breakfast bowl that I got was perfect. It had the perfect amount of eggs and potatoes and onions and green. It was delicious. Cheese, it was really good. One of the best breakfast bowls I've had in a really long time. So as you guys know, if you follow the channel, that wifey had surgery not too long ago. How you feel now?
A lot better. I'm still on the mend, so we got a little ride right here.
Check out the wheels. So why do we have that?
We have it so that I can get out of the house because there's life out there, guys.
Absolutely.
And I have been locked in the house for going on 4 weeks, and I'm sure y'all know that I'm just itching to get out. So my husband was able to get me a little cheat ride so I can get out and enjoy it, and I'm so thankful.
Yeah, we're finding ways to get outside regardless. We got her wheelchair. She can definitely walk, but if she gets tired, I'll be there to push her or whatever, hop out, in and out. But we plan to go enjoy this festival. Probably visit the Railroad Museum if it's open and share some of the other things about this town with you as well. So let's go.
All right.
As we walk through downtown Ennis, we're already starting to wonder why we hadn't been here before. They have a ton of shops and boutique like Bluebonnet Spirit Shop, The Rustic Shed to Home, Felkman Ladies Gift Shop and Cleaners, La Bonita Aleut Boutique. When it comes to nightlife and dining, Ennis seems to have it all covered. Coming soon is the Vault Smokehouse. Coming soon is Granny D's Pierogi. Also coming soon is Sunshine Brews, but you can visit Heavenly Donuts now, the Backyard, the Vine at 119, and Bluebonnet City Grill, which we visited this morning, and the food is wonderful. I can see now that Ennis is a very up-and-coming city, and it'll soon be growing beyond belief. This is a place that you must visit if you're looking to have fun. So guys, we're in the Ennis Welcome Center, and you have to stop in here if you come anywhere near this town. They have some of the most beautiful quilts that are made back here, some of the best in the state or the country, as a matter of fact. Alright guys, it's time to hit the trail and go see some bluebonnets, but before we do that, I want to share some fun facts with you about Ennis. The city is named after Cornelius Ennis, an official of the railroad. Ennis served as mayor of Houston between 1856 and 1857. Ennis is also known as the official Bluebonnet City and Trail of Texas. Also, Ennis is the home of the annual National Polka Festival. So now, before we hit the trails, we want to grab a quick bite to eat because it's lunchtime and we're getting a little hungry, and then we're off to see the bluebonnets. Guys, we found this place in Ennis called Kolache Depot, and of course we had to stop in here and get a kolache because I don't know what they are, but I've never heard of a Kolache Depot, so I decided to stop. It seems like it's just a little bit of bread, a little bit of meat, but maybe it's worth it. We'll see. So guys, this is what everybody is looking for today or this weekend. The Bluebonnet Trail, the famous Bluebonnet Trail here in Ennis, Texas. And we just got started and found the most beautiful Bluebonnet Trail, or somebody's private land has a ton of bluebonnets on it. So what's the name of the orange one?
I believe that's an Indian paintbrush.
Okay. Speaking of fun, if that's what's on your to-do list, getting outside and having fun, Ennis has you covered as well. You could visit the Mini McDowell Park. You could also visit Ennis Public Theater. Stop by the Welcome Center as well, because there's tons of fun in there and all of the pamphlets you need to fully enjoy the town. Also, you could visit Galaxy Drive-In. If you come during the right season, you can hop over and take one of the trails for the bluebonnets. Also, Ennis Railroad and Cultural Heritage Museum, we didn't make it this go around, but we'll definitely be back to pop into that place and see all the fun that they have to offer in there. It is time for us to close this video out. It's been a long morning, starting to wind down. We got other things we need to do. Hopefully, if you can find time, you get out here to see these bluebonnets and enjoy this trail. Stop in Ennis and see what's going on there. And remember, if you can, get outside and enjoy it because
there's life out there.
Peace.